Welcome back to Improve Autos. If you grew up in the 70s or 80s, the name Ford Capri meant one thing: the European Mustang. It was sleek, it was cool, and it was the car everyone wanted. Fast forward to 2026 and the Capri is back, but not how you remember it. Say hello to the 2026 Ford Capri Electric. Ford has reinvented this icon as a high-tech, all-electric crossover coupe. It's got the soul of a sports car and the body of a family SUV. Let's find out if this rebellious EV is worth your money. Exterior, retro modern style. The design of the 2026 Capri is all about nostalgia meets the future. You'll immediately notice the signature four-eyed LED headlights, which are a direct homage to the classic Capri's twin lamp setup. It has a stunning fastback roofline that flows into a ducktail rear spoiler, giving it a sporty silhouette that stands out from the crowd. It rolls on massive 20 or 21-inch aero wheels, and in the hero color, vivid yellow, it looks absolutely electric. It's wider and lower than the Ford Explorer EV. Interior, tech, and hidden lockers. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a premium lounge. The highlight is the 14.6-inch Sync Move touchscreen. Here's the cool part. The screen actually slides up and down. When you slide it up, it reveals a My Private Locker, a hidden storage space to keep your phone or wallet out of sight. Between the seats, you get the 17-liter Mega Console, which is large enough to swallow a 15-inch laptop. You also get a built-in B&O soundbar integrated directly into the dashboard, providing an immersive audio experience that rivals luxury brands. Performance, the shotgun speed. The 2026 Capri isn't just a pretty face, it's built on a high-performance EV platform. You have two main choices. The extended range RWD model offers a massive 390 miles of range and 286 horsepower. But if you want true Capri performance, the premium all-wheel drive version delivers 340 horsepower, blasting you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds. Thanks to the 185 kilowatt DC fast charging, you can top up the battery from 10 to 80% in just 26 minutes. It's quick, it's quiet, and it handles with the agility you'd expect from the Capri nameplate. 2026 pricing and value. Now let's talk about the 2026 market price. The Ford Capri Select starts at approximately £41,475, roughly $52,000 USD for the standard range. If you want the long distance RWD extended range, the price sits around £48,000. For the top of the line premium all-wheel drive with the panoramic roof and 21-inch wheels, you're looking at £56,175. That makes that price tag feel justified for the style you get. So does this new electric crossover live up to the Capri name, or should Ford have left the name in the past? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for more EV reviews.